Crusoe raises $1.375 to scale AI infrastructure. Quick Facts funding round, Series E, amount raised $375 billion, valuation over $10 billion. Lead investors, Mubadala Capital, Valor Equity Partners. Energy pipeline, 45 gigawatts reported. Major data center projects, Abilene, Texas, 1.2 gigawatts. Wyoming, 1.8 gigawatt planned. Cloud platform, Crusoe Cloud headquarters, San Francisco and Denver. Crusoe has raised $1.375 billion in a Series E funding round, valuing the company at more than $10 billion and positioning it as one of the most heavily funded AI infrastructure startups to date. The oversubscribed round, co-led by Mubadala Capital and Valor Equity Partners, underscores growing investor confidence in Crusoe's vertically integrated model, one designed to overcome the energy and compute bottlenecks slowing the global AI boom. The rise of an AI factory. Crusoe's approach sets it apart from traditional cloud providers. The company integrates power sourcing, data center construction, and GPU cloud services into a single pipeline it calls an AI factory. Its flagship platform, Crusoe Cloud, enables AI developers to access high-performance computing resources without the operational complexity of managing infrastructure. The system boasts a reported uptime of 99.98% and supports leading AI innovators including Cursor, Fireworks, Odyssey, Descartes, and Together AI. Advances in AI will usher in an era of AI-driven abundance, leading to new scientific breakthroughs and unprecedented economic growth and human prosperity, said Chase Lockmiller, Crusoe's CEO and co-founder. However, the pace of progress is constrained by bottlenecks in energy and compute. Crusoe is in the business of activating energy for intelligence and helping the greatest innovators of our generation build the future faster. Rapidly growing energy portfolio. The company's momentum reflects that philosophy. Crusoe has rapidly grown its energy portfolio, reporting a power pipeline exceeding 45 gigawatts, 4 times larger than in 2024, and expanding across multiple clean energy partnerships with firms such as Tallgrass, Redwood Materials, and Lancium. The first phase of its 1.2 gigawatt data center campus in Abilene, Texas, became operational this year, just 1 year after construction began. Additional gigawatt-scale projects are underway across the United States, including a 1.8 gigawatt campus in Wyoming. The funding marks a pivotal moment for Crusoe as it accelerates its transition away from cryptocurrency operations and toward AI-focused infrastructure. Earlier this year, the company divested its Bitcoin mining division to NYDIG, signaling a complete pivot toward powering next-generation compute systems. This aligns with a broader market trend in which neo-cloud providers, specialized AI infrastructure companies built around GPU computing, are competing with hyperscalers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The Series E round brings together a roster of technology-focused investors, including NVIDIA, Founders Fund, Altimeter Capital, and T. Rowe Price. Valor Equity Partners, an early backer of SpaceX and Tesla, emphasized Crusoe's operational depth and its potential to reshape how the AI industry scales energy-intensive workloads. Mubadala Capital's participation further signals the Middle East's growing role in the global AI infrastructure landscape, particularly as sovereign funds diversify into digital assets and sustainable technology ventures. Infrastructure strategy plus growth. By directly sourcing renewable and stranded energy for its data centers, the company aims to reduce both costs and carbon intensity. However, the environmental and regulatory implications of such rapid expansion are likely to attract attention. Analysts point to the gigawatt-scale footprint of new data campuses as a potential strain on local grids, an issue already visible in Texas, where data centers are competing with industrial users for available capacity. Industry observers note that Crusoe's vertically integrated strategy offers a competitive advantage, but also introduces significant execution risk. Building and operating data centers, managing energy procurement, and delivering GPU cloud services, all within a single organization, demands precise coordination and capital discipline. According to Reuters, the company's expansion coincides with growing investor appetite for AI data center infrastructure, a market expected to exceed $150 billion globally by 2030, as demand for high-performance compute continues to surge. Crusoe's next challenge lies in scaling responsibly. With AI workloads projected to account for as much as 4% of global electricity consumption by 2030, the intersection of digital infrastructure and sustainability is drawing new scrutiny from policymakers and environmental groups. Crusoe's claim to build an environmentally friendly AI infrastructure model by harnessing clean energy sources and repurposing stranded generation capacity will be tested as its campuses come online and energy demand grows. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E plus E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.